Now I show you plank exercise. First time I show you regular compacted plank exercise. Then step by step I show you alternate plank, back plank, hanging plank, side hanging plank, also single leg plank. So now I show you regular plank for the beginner. Very important exercise for our rectus abdominis and gluteus maximus and quadriceps muscle. Now I start. When you start this exercise, first time your forearms are also fixed onto the ground, straight to the shoulder, and your both legs back side of your body and straight to the shoulder and fixed and full body down. This is the starting point. Now your exercise will start, and when you start your exercise, your legs straight, straight. Now start the exercise for 30 seconds. Up. You also change your position, hand position, both hands fist or both hands closed. This also another position for the plank exercise. Okay, time finish. Finish your exercise, and after that you take 15-second rest, and again you start same exercise. In this way you can do this exercise 3/4. 13 seconds, 13 seconds, 30 seconds. That's all.